Jodak ma Kericho obago ng'anyo mar kwedo medruok mar lwenje mag udi kod kit chwech ka giwuok chep kolon nyaka Peace County Commissioner ka gidwaro mondo ratiro omi ne miyo moro mano bambi to bang'e onegi. Jad bura ma kaunti no Beatrice Kemeyo osejotije doho ma Kericho mowacho ni weyo achije thuolo mapiyo kapok joma oketh ratichgi yudo ratiro margi. Omedo ni ripode moihalo 2,000 osego e kaunti no to onge gima lich ma itime ka koro kwa obila mondo mi kik we achije mapiyo to rit nyaka nonro tim mar ratiro yudre.
There's a lady who requested to go to school. She's married, but she wanted to go to college. But what happened? The husband did not want her to go to college. So, and when she went to her maternal home, the husband followed and she was killed. Cases of alcoholism is causing this gender-based violence. Alcoholism. The men, the women, when they are drunk, they go home, beat others, they are also beaten. So when this one comes to be a thing of the past, it will be very, very important. And we cannot be talking of economic empowerment. We cannot be talking of we want the country to have a strong shilling when socially we are sick. So we want a strong government, we want a strong community, we want strong families to make sure that our country is very strong.
Dakan prayo kodario banga sa birio nyakoronga juanga chenro en migago hiro kamano kumkete Ramogi TV Randi Debra neni kacha wacho intie Dandora hiro kamano kumkete Ramogi TV Jonte wacho kacha nimbe intie Dandora Phase 4 wacho no sekete Ramogi TV aneno